Hey everybody, Lewis here, Our Shack Barbecue and other things. So recently, keeping with the heart healthy theme that I'm doing, I did a couple ribeye steaks, and I used a salt-free spice rub that is very similar to Montreal steak spice rub. And then I did these on my Traeger pellet grill. Now, I've never done steak on my pellet grill because I always figured it would dry them out too much. But I have to tell you, these were the best steaks I think I've ever done. And my wife was like, these are better than any restaurant she's ever gone to, any steakhouse. So, with that said, let's get into this cook and see how it turned out.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Okay, on these steaks, we're going to be using Dax. See if we can get that in there. Dax spices. Let's see, it says, look, Ma, no salt, no MSGs, and whatever that is. What's that say? All natural. And this one is steakhouse seasoning. We're going to use this on the steak. Now, they have quite a few other spices. Oh, dropped one. Let's see, we got, this is Tacknite spices. This is like an all-purpose rub. Then you got Super Greek. That should be good. This is Original Red. That looks really good. Then you have Green Zest. This is probably a good chicken one. And then you have Blackened. That's probably a little spicy. But we'll definitely give it a try. Dax Spices. You can find these at daxspices.com. D-A-K-S spices.com. I think my sister ordered these through Amazon, but we're going to give the steakhouse steak seasoning a try. So let's get into it. Here are two ribeyes, and to stay with the heart healthy, we're going to go with sunflower and avocado oil. This is supposedly better than extra virgin oil or any of them for you. So we'll just put some of this on the steak here. That's quite a bit there. Okay, now we're going to come in with our steakhouse seasoning spice. And we're going to sprinkle it on there. So I've got all kinds of different little seeds and spices in it here, I'm seeing. So we'll get this, flip it over. Hit this side. And we'll just give this a moment or two, probably 10 minutes or so to rest. And we'll get the Traeger fired up, get it up to temp, and get these going. So here we are out at the Traeger. I have it set on high, and that's going to be about 450. I'm using pecan wood, or pellets. What we're going to do is we're going to put these in here and let them go for 5 minutes, and then we'll rotate them. Okay, for the potatoes, I just punctured a bunch of holes in it with a fork, like so. And then I'm going to come in with the same avocado oil. Kind of give it a quick little coat. See if I can do it without getting too much on here like I did the steaks, but hey, nothing wrong with too much. Give them a nice little coat here, like so. Then we're going to coat the outside with this garlic, big country garlic sauce or spice. Just kind of give it a quick little dab. And then we're also going to hit it with black pepper. And then we're going to microwave these. So it's been 5 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to rotate them 45 degrees. This way we're trying to create that crosshatch pattern on them, and we'll let this side go for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes have passed, so we're going to go ahead and take them and flip them over and repeat the process on this side. 5 minutes, and then rotate them 45 degrees. So what I did is I took a half a cube of unsalted butter and 5 cloves of chopped up garlic, and I put it in the microwave and melted and stirred that all together. Then I also got some rosemary. So after the 5 minutes went, I rotated, and then I took my garlic butter and I kind of coated the top of the steaks with it. And then I put the rosemary twigs on each one, and then also another little, what would you call it, dab of unsalted butter on them, just to melt as they finish this last 5 minutes. Okay, here's our finished steak. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. Just the way I like it. It's probably like a medium rare to rare. Let's just have a little bite here. Oh, look at that, just falling apart. Let's cut a little bite here. See what we got going on. Okay, let's take a bite. Whoa, that is really good. Nice and tender, nice meat flavor to it. That seasoning is not too heavy on it, but man, look at that, so good. Once again, this is Dax Steakhouse seasoning. It has salt-free, no MSGs, heart healthy. You can find these online at daxspices.com, D-A-K-S, spices.com, and I'm just overly impressed. Traeger did a great job. This is perfectly cooked, nice and moist. I mean, it's really juicy, and it just cuts like butter. Unbelievable. I gotta go in for another bite. Cheers. Oh man, I've been craving steak, and this was perfectly done. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed it. Grill on.